Take it out.
একটা বালিশ আমার
This will take a lot of time to assemble. Don't rush.
রেডি Hier, wie cool. Die Agentur ist super cool, mag ich. Stinkeschnitt an Kam könnte ich sogar back to movie देखंगे.
He has prevention of falling. So I'm just showing the wheels are intact. So here is the real testing. Boom. घूमने के लिए तो तेरे को ठीक लग रहा है. थोड़ा मूव करना. मूव कर उसको इधर टेबल के पास आना है. फाइल लेना है. मूवमेंट के लिए ठीक है. So what do you say?
It's nice.
How much you will rate?
It's 5 stars.
5 stars. I would rate this 3.5 based on the durability. How are you feeling? Do you have a fear that it will break? It's not that durable, but it's manageable. Guys, here's my birthday gift, gaming chair from my love, and just gifted me this. And the person behind assembling this chair, I will show you how messy it was, how like bit by bit each parts were assembled, and none other than Ayushman, and he is going to demonstrate about this chair. So please go ahead, tell us about this, what are the features and what can be done with this.
First thing,
Do you sit and you can come? Yeah, yeah, okay.
first thing you get that leg rest, you connect and clench it,
Okay. Okay. Okay, hand just can be lifted. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is for lifting the chair. So we adjust the heights. Okay. Just rotate once like this. One more time. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Rotate. Okay. How is the wheel quality? Is it good?
Yes.
Okay, now just sit and show the inclination.
The next thing is you can see here.
Yes.
Pull it.
Hmm. Okay.
Then your leg rest out.
Is it durable? Do you feel confident, or do you feel like it will break? It's durable.
The next thing is you can
Okay. Right, looks cool. Only thing is, I think the color factor. It's no doubt very beautiful, but then you have to keep it neat and tidy because the white factor. So just turn, sit and turn. I want to look how the back side looks like. Just take one turn, rotate, rotate. Yeah, stop. Yeah, the back side is totally dark, and these are the strips that is used to hold the pillows. Okay. And for air circulation also, there is a hole. Two holes are there. So one is this one. Okay. Cool. Thank you so much for all your efforts.